Here is our Android app, step by step. It is basically a pedometer, but more motivating and fun features are added. Let's start. If it is the first time you use the app, after startup page, several welcome pages as user guide will show up, and then direct you to set user information, and finally go to the home fragment. Here is the home fragment. It can show the steps today. Now our user Lily is going for a walk to earn points. When Lily goes back, the points she earned represent the calories she burnt will show on the top left corner. And you can click the post button on the top right corner to post the pedometer function. If you long-click the chick, it can show the egg collection book. You can change the chick character you earned in the lab fragment. Here is the lab fragment. There is a machine for generating eggs. The points you have are shown on the top left corner. There is also a book button on the top right corner, which is the library for all the chickens you got. Click the machine. The machine can be started, and if you have points, it will randomly generate an egg for you, which will give you a new species of chicken. For example, here is a new chicken. New chicken costs points, so start walking or running now. Then the reminder fragment. Press the plus sign at the top left corner to add alarm clock. There are some normal configurations you can set here for the alarm clock, like the label, time, repeat pattern, ringtone, and vibration or not. And you can delete all the alarms using the trash bin button on the top right corner. There is a special feature called Smart Reminder, which will remind you if it didn't detect a certain number of steps after a period, for example 10 seconds in this tutorial. Then click the tick button to save the alarm clock. You can also click the clock you set before to change the setting. The graph button represents the record fragment. It records and analyzes all your statistics of steps, which is divided into 3 parts: daily, weekly, and monthly. You can swipe left or right to see the last day or next day, last week or next week. The color of the bar will change along with the number of steps. Also, there is some analysis below the graph for the average steps per hour or day, and the total steps in a day, week, or month. The last one is the setting fragment. You can input your personal information. Using that, suitable pedometer sensitivity will be calculated for you as default, but you can also set the sensitivity as you like. You can change the theme. Now we provide pink, green, blue, and yellow. Also, you can click the help button for help information, the same as the welcome instructions. Now the alarm clock is ringing. If you stop the alarm without walking for a certain number of steps in a certain number of periods, it will ring again. And the second alarm clock will be operated in vibration mode. So thanks for watching our introduction video, and hope that you will have a joyful experience with our app, step by step.